So hi guys, welcome to I am Fresher. So today we'll discuss about a website. So I can also say this is a very much a secret tool, because earlier I made some video on secret tool on my YouTube channel. But this time again I am telling you. So the name of secret tool is Payscale India. So Payscale is a this is a website. So if so you can search out through Google. So you can type Payscale India, and there will be a website Payscale. Okay, so it's a research firm. So this company do a research on salaries, designations, degree, companies. Like if you'll see on like scroll down below, so you will find like there's a like browse popular jobs designation wise. They have made some they have written some salary kind of detail, and learn about employers. So they have given rating to the employers. So you can click here and browse all employers. So you will get the information about the employers, like what kind of designations they are offering and what kind of like salaries they are offering. You can also search through like universities also, popular colleges, and degree wise also. Okay, and there is a career guide, tips and advice also in their blog. So you can search out. You There is a one good option is also there. In India we have multiple states, so you can click on your state and you can get the information like about any state. Like suppose I am staying in Uttar Pradesh, right? Or either I am staying in Nagaland. Let's click on Nagaland. So in Nagaland we clicked on. So there's an average salary for Nagaland is 230k, means 2,30k thousand annually, right? So it's a so there is a normally designations like primary school teacher, assistant professor. So this is a high school teacher, staff nurse also, operational. So there's a different designations have different salary brackets, right? So nothing much about like Nagaland. So let's go back. So now we click on Bangalore or either Karnataka. Bangalore comes under Karnataka. So here's the Karnataka. So if you see, average salary of Karnataka is 667k. So you can also click on hourly rate. Will not go hourly rate because in India we are not paid for hourly rate. We paid for average monthly salary, right? Day wise. So there's a software engineer, there's a senior software engineer, there's a software developer, because Bangalore is a IT hub. So you'll find the lots of designation related to IT only. So you can also go like cities in Karnataka. So like if you click on Bellary, so every city have their own like you can say salary bracket or designations. So this is a very good tool for all of us. So we can find out. Let's click on employer. So employer, which industry? You can choose your industry, right? Like energy and utilities. So we'll click on this and you will find the multiple companies name are here, right? So if we'll click on Siemens, let's click on Siemens. So if we'll found like there's average salary for a Siemens Limited employee in India, it's 931k per year. The average base salary Siemens is offering. Okay, so they have different designations. You can click here like you can found here. So average salary is 11 lakh on something for senior software engineer they are offering. And also you can click here. You can also filter out through designations like early career, mid career, skill wise and employer wise. So you can change from here also. Okay, there is a blog is there, and there is a what the pay by experience level for the senior software engineer. There is a early career, there is minus 28 and mid career 7%. You have to go through each and every one because it will take some time, because in this video I can't explain the all things. But yeah, you have to go through this website and you have to have a spend some time here, because there's multiple things are here, like gender breakdown, common health benefits, and what are the popular skill for senior software engineers which they are offering, they are hiring, whatever it is. And the career, this is a good thing. So they have created a flow chart also, because this is a research firm, this Payscale. So they are doing lots of flow charts they are making. So there's a team IT, like suppose I click here lead software engineer, so you'll find more designations. Technical architect, there is a different designations. And also there's a multiple designations is there. So go back to, okay, so let's take example for any other different industry. So now let's take example for retail, right? So in retail, if you see, multiple companies are here because it's a combination of retail and customer service. So multiple companies are there. So some companies are not doing retail business, so they are also in, comes under this. So let's click on lifestyle. So lifestyle international, they mention like 400 something, 481. So there is a different designations. And review also you can find it like for this company. And you can find out the job listing as well. And you can also go to the similar kind of company which are offering the same designation, the same salary. Okay, so you will get the information about the company also, like what this company is doing, what kind of pros and cons also there. And some designations are not there, so you can search through, like if my city is not there, like let's take example like Meerut. So in Meerut we'll search out what is the average salary for this city. So not found. So we have to go through, because some cities are you will not able to find through this search criteria. So you have to go through the main page, and you have to go through like where exactly we have to go back on the first page. Yes, this is the state and Uttar Pradesh. Yes, so Uttar Pradesh they have not mentioned. Yes, this is the city name. Yes, so there are multiple cities. This is the Meerut. Yes, and so Meerut have 295k average salary and the different designations, civil engineer and all. And here there are companies, the popular employer, which they are offering the same salary and other things also. Okay, so guys, you have to spend some time on this website. So I think this is enough for today, and next time I'll make some more video about if I'll found anything suitable or any new thing, so any secret tool. So like, share this channel, and please also comment below, so I'll get some idea what kind of like mistakes I made in this video, and what kind of changes and what kind of question you have, like what kind of requirement you have from my side, like what best content I can give you. So thank you guys, thank you so much, have a nice day.